Canoe Trip. Paddle your way to learning English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and outdoor-themed phrase, canoe trip. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or just love learning English, this video will unpack the meaning and usage of this phrase. Let's paddle through the world of English phrases together. A canoe trip refers to a journey or excursion involving traveling by canoe, which is a small, narrow boat propelled by paddling with a single-bladed paddle. These trips can range from a few hours to several days and often involve exploring rivers, lakes, or coastal waters. Breaking it down, canoe is a noun that signifies the boat itself, and trip indicates a journey or excursion. When combined, canoe trip suggests an adventure that is not just about the destination but also about the experience of traveling by canoe. Last summer, we went on a canoe trip down the Colorado River. Are you interested in a canoe trip? It's a great way to see the natural beauty of the area. They're planning a canoe trip for next weekend. Would you like to join? Canoe trips are popular recreational activities and are often associated with camping, fishing, and wildlife viewing. They are a way to connect with nature, enjoy physical activity, and take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a canoe trip entails and perhaps inspired you to embark on one yourself. Remember, learning English can be an adventure, much like a canoe trip. Keep exploring, and you'll discover the joy in every step of learning. See you next time.